Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to remove background noise from a CapCut video. So as you can see in this video there's quite a lot of background noise if we play it. So to remove this, simply click on the video and now go to the right until you see an icon that says reduce noise. So go to the very right and then click reduce noise at the bottom right corner. And to actually use this function, click on the little toggle next to reduce noise to the right side. And now it's reducing the noise. And I click tick. And now let's try and play it. And as you can tell, it has instantly reduced a lot of the background noise from the video.